Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to uninstall wordtrip. So without any further ado, let's get started. We uninstall apps if we have limited storage space or if the app is not performing well. It can also be due to some privacy concerns or battery drainage problems. So there are 3 ways to uninstall this app. The first way is to simply tap and hold on the app. Then tap on App Info option. Here, click on the uninstall option in the bottom section of your screen. Then tap on the OK button. Similarly, the next way is to go to Phone Settings. Scroll down your screen. Then tap on Apps option. Here, click on Manage Apps. In the search bar, type in wordtrip. Here, click on the uninstall option. And if you're sure, click on the OK button. And finally, the last way is to go to Play Store. In the search bar, type in wordtrip. Now click on the app. Here, click on the uninstall option. And if you're sure, click on the uninstall option once again. So that is how you can uninstall wordtrip. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment down with any questions or feedback. And if you're new, subscribe and stay updated for the future videos.